Another client just moved out, and I'm gonna show you what to do and what to clean before the next client come in. So let's come here, guys, let's take a walk. Well, first, let me cover the garage since we're out here. The garage, first thing you wanna do, you wanna make sure all the spider webs are gone. Clean the spider webs, have either yourself or have a crew that came in that can clean, and usually you have a list. Have a list, a breakdown, but these are the most important things: spider webs, baseboard, make sure they clean the baseboards, guys. And then also wipe down your water heater, your furnace, and then tape up anything that's damaged. Also check your furnace filter, right? It needs to replace, but give it a little bit touch up. Garage is kind of like where you don't really need to paint the whole thing, just touch up. But see, just clean it, make sure the floor has no oil stains, guys, and just kind of clean it up really, really good, okay? So let's come in, let's walk in. Welcome, guys. This house was just 2 days ago, they moved out, and I did hire somebody to come in and clean it. So usually what you do, you have a list, because they're gonna charge you by the hours. They charge you $43 an hour. If there's 2 or 3 people, they charge per head. So make sure you have a list, because it saves you a lot of time. So first thing here in the kitchen, guys, baseboard, very important. Have them mop the floor, start from top to bottom. Mop the floor, because you always have, if you have pets, dog hair, everything built up in the baseboards. Wipe down the windows, have them wipe down the windows, blinds, again, the windows trim, and the blinds. And then check for any damage for any blinds, any damage, you know, you need to replace it. And then again, very important is the baseboard. Little tip here, guys, to clean the fridge, unplug it. Once you unplug it, just wipe down, clean it. It's real easier to clean that way than having that cold. So they clean that, pour it out, pull your fridge out, have them clean underneath, on top. Also, clients don't like dust on top of the kitchen cabinets. You wipe down the kitchen cabinets, have them wipe it down. Also wipe down these boards too. And then you have your oven. Make sure you clean it really, really well, because you have a dirty oven. You can take the doors apart. Some cleaner, the guy that was cleaning this, he actually took the door panel apart and cleaned inside between the panel. Wipe down your countertop, guys. Again, start from top to bottom and make sure there's any damage. And I always check for the doors. Make sure the bolts, the hinges are not loose, because new clients, they don't like that either, you know. Okay, so again, very important. Baseboards, dishwashers clean, have them clean dishwasher. And then also your inside your pantry, right? If you have liner, I recommend have liners. I always have liners. You can see here, I have a set of liners here, like down here. I put a line, especially down in your kitchen sink. They're gonna put soap, cleaning products, and they're gonna stain. So recommend do that. Now let's walk into the washer and dryer room, which we walk past, guys. Have them wipe down your washer and dryer. Very, very important. A lot of clients don't like dirty washer and dryer. Have them wipe in between, because there's molds and stuff. You know, in between the soap dispenser and everything, like this one here. Look like they missed a spot, so I have to clean that up. But make sure they clean everything behind your washer and dryer, and here's also inside your this is another closet. And then we're in the living room, guys. Living room, very important here, guys. Your intake, air intake. Let me see. Let me get you guys to see it. There we go, your air intake. Make sure they clean that really, really well, because clients do notice that. It shows how clean the house is. If it's dirty, full of dust, every time somebody move out, I have them clean it myself. And dust and clean your light bulbs, your chandeliers, and again, your baseboard. And wipe down the walls. If it needs wipe down, paint, whatever. Back here. Another thing, guys, very, very important here. Make sure your blinds are clean. It's not filthy. And have them dust up here. It gets dusty. And also, it gets dirty in between here, guys. Have them wipe it down, clean it up really well. Also on the outside here, you can see how they clean it really, really well. But you gotta get that because clients will complain about that. And then you walk into here, guys, bathroom. And here's the bathroom here. Bathroom, have them wipe down the walls and the showers and shower heads and everything, guys. Because you do wipe it down, they will notice that. They like to come in, everything's clean. You see how it's really clean here. Mirror, light bulbs, and also replace all missing or burned out light bulbs, because that's a nuisance. Make sure you do that because new clients will notice that here in the air intake, guys, that one's clean. You see that builds up every time somebody move in and out. Yeah, here's the bedroom closet. Make sure it's clean. The baseboard looks clean. They mop the floor. You can see the shininess of it. Again, the windows, the blinds, window trims, and then another bathroom here, guys. I'm just gonna show you quickly here, and then also your bathroom vents. Make sure that's clean because that gets built up too. That gets gross. Around the bathroom, back of the tub, back the toilet. Check your closet, your doorknobs, and wipe down your doors too, guys. Wipe down the doors. The doors get filthy and they build up. Closet doors, okay. And then yeah, and then around the house, guys, I'm gonna show you around the house. Like this one's clean. Around the house here, I'm gonna just show you a backyard here, guys. Let's actually, we'll walk around here so get a little idea of trying to be as quick as possible, you guys. I don't want the video to be more than 8-10 minutes here. So now we're outside here, guys. I'm gonna show you a couple tips too on the outside. You want to trim your bushes and trees. Put some new mulch, rocks if you need to. Again, keep it simple, guys. Too much shrub. I actually had to take out a shrub because they plant this evergreen right there, and actually it's going to grow all the way up. So I took that out, and I'm probably going to transfer one of these banana plants over here. And then out here, guys, the door, you want to look nice and clean. Wipe it down, have them wipe it down. And you can see there's a couple adhesive left, so I had to clean that. And also touch up your trims, and you need to, which this one we did a little bit. We touched it up a little bit. And then you see how simple this landscaping is. A couple shrubs, because they grow fast. They grow fast. And also your neighbors, they like it, even though they don't like renters. But you keep it up, keep the grass nice. They actually like they don't mind. Well, they don't mind, but they don't complain as much, right? So you can see here this back patio, clean the back patio if it needs to clean. There was a little, like here you can tell we clean it up a little bit. But yeah, just touch up your landscaping a little bit. Here you see we had a lot of trees. We trimmed that up. Looks cleaner. There was all weeds kind of like on like this side. Actually worse than that, but we trimmed to make it look nice. But yeah, guys, that's all. I figured I'd do a quick video to show you what I do assessment and everything when somebody move out and another client gets ready to move in. And this house is actually in about a week. Somebody's already moving in. So it's pretty much ready. Just got a couple more things I gotta do, but other than that, guys, until next finance video or real estate video, I'd like to share with you guys what I learn as I go away. So take care, guys. Okay, until next time, bye now.